I'm Kevin Carr, president of M5D, formerly MasterGraphics. Well, we're rebranding our company from MasterGraphics to M5D, and the real reason for that is just the relevance of how we've evolved as a company. So MasterGraphics has had this unbelievable 75-year history, but one of the challenges as we've evolved into 3D print or additive manufacturing into 3D scan, most people look at the name MasterGraphics and think we're a wide format printer. So I thought it was important for us to rebrand and kind of relaunch kind of what we've evolved to, and that would be M5D, where we're combining both 2D and 3D technologies, and that's why we came up with M5D. There's a lot of excitement in the rebrand because it is setting us up for, I think, the next 75 years. Our 5 dimensions are profitability, alignment, agility, results, and evolution. These are 5 areas that I want to make sure that when we're engaged with clients that we're keeping things such as their profitability, or are they evolving as a company at the forefront. It allows us to have a framework to have a conversation with the customer and not just look at the product, but look at their needs. Look at their goals and their initiatives, look at their profitability to make sure it makes sense to make the changes. So with our new initiative and our new approach, I think it's just reiterating what we kind of did naturally in the past, but now we're putting some framework around it so that when we engage with clients that don't know us, that they understand kind of our process, the way we view the world, and hopefully look at us as a partner at the beginning and not just as a vendor. The biggest commitment M5D makes to our customers is to make their world better.